Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to delete your all downloaded Telegram files by using the Android mobile. So anyway, how to do it? So let's go to our tutorial. So just open your file manager application or you can open my files application. So here I try to access my internal storage. So here you can locate the Telegram folder. But if you not have this folder in internal storage, just open your SD card and then locate it. So anyway, I try to open this folder. So here it shows 4 directory folders. So if you want to delete Telegram images only, just open this Telegram images folder and then click to delete it. So same way, you can delete your all Telegram files by using this Telegram directory folders. But once you delete all the files, it will automatically remove from your phone gallery. So this is the way you can easily delete your all downloaded Telegram files by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.